Hello, I'm Ron Davis, owner of Units Mobile and Portable Storage out of Phoenix, Arizona. Please watch this video to understand if on-site storage is the correct solution for you. Thank you.
Working on a new addition to your house? Remodeling your kitchen or basement? Upgrading your flooring? Or just need some extra accessible storage space? Units on-site storage is a convenient solution to fit your needs. When considering storage at your location, there are 4 key factors: container placement, accessibility, price, and convenience. When you're ready, we'll deliver a clean, weather-resistant, all-steel Units container to your location. Units Robo delivery system can safely place your container on your property wherever you need it, allowing easy access to your belongings 24/7, unlike traditional fixed storage facilities requiring you to rent a truck and make trips to and from the facility. With the freedom to load your Units container at your own pace, you won't have to worry about an hourly charge or weekly rental. 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month is the same price. Units containers are rented by the month, so you have a cushion for any unexpected project overruns. When your project is completed, contact your local Units representative to arrange for pickup of the empty Units container. Take the stress out of temporary storage with Units.
Having a container on site at your property is a great way to have access to your belongings during a remodeling project. If you have any questions, please call us at 480-964-5000. Thank you.